That's your own.
I said saliva.
And I said you don't know how to handle balloon. This thing is live. I'm trying to. I'm trying to turn it. It's facing me. I want it to face the other side so that I can use the back camera. I don't know why it's facing me. Let me see if I can edit it here. What's happening? Merry Christmas. Shout Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Wait. I want to prepare Christmas food here, but
Merry life.
why is the video
Life
facing me instead of the other
control.
side?
Black juice. Make a Christmas miracle.
Oh, the jelly fat man. He's the king of gifts and all of them to you. This is what I say. Look at only saliva that is there. Oh, the jelly fat man. He's the king of gifts. Why is he like this? The jelly fat man. How can you bring saliva into my balloon? It is wrong. And your poor saliva inside it. You want to collect your own back. See, I beautiful know that eh? I don't want that here. Bikon. What happened? I thought this boring saliva and so my family not to collect. But that's his own. Yeah. Give him this thing now. Please. I don't know. I want to set this thing in such a way that they can't collect it. Okay, since the thing doesn't want to show now, let me just keep it like that. Let me keep it straight. I hope breeze is not going to carry it. Okay. Are you sure this one? Right. Will it work? I don't think so. It needs holder here. I'm telling you. It needs holder. It's my this thing. But
There's
what
this
is
thing
this?
inside my
Free
bag.
lock. What's it for? There's holder. There's this type of holder inside my bag. I can hold it. Is it that your green? The language green. Okay, that's what it's for. This one is for camera. There's that of a phone. Yeah, what is this button for? I don't know for you. Hold it. Let's roast yam. Hold on, I have this to see your daddy. I thought they used to turn it as a being roasted yam. Eh? like it's one small baby.
But I thought they should turn roasted yam as they are doing it. Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes.
This chicken I actually but the was
Uh,
I don't know let's wash up.
Where you working on? Check that.
Come on. Enjoy this passport. That one empty head. This one is don't go this time. Is this some happiness?
Remove that. Why are you putting it on top of that? To fall again. Take,
Chidi, bayo na boss.
take.
That's my own.
Your brother knows how to share, but you don't know how to share. Brother, see your brother knows how to share, but you don't.
What is the that part of?
Happening.
Hmm?
Want to point fire. That is that.
This is gizzard. You don't know.
That's food. Chicken can say it. Have you?
I don't know. Why is it in the gizzard? I want to see.
Into food.
Gizzard in here.
The mitochondria.
Yes, sir. It's not every animal.
So every animal has that.
Yes, you have to.
Why won't I have that?
Are you sure you have to?
Every living thing will have animal should have that. Gallbladder. Gallbladder. The
This
gall.
thing is good for pepper soup. This intestine like this that you are seeing. Good for pepper soup. Why are you doing well? You see the way
Or pepper. Pepper soup. That's a what? Good one.
Oh, dig. Turn it upside down.
I didn't go everywhere.
The fire is really hot. Mama. You see pepper soup. This is the pepper soup. Intestine is the pepper soup. Ah.
This is Monday night. Just right food, they don't go open. I mean, Roban. Okay, they go open and come buy bread. Bread.
It's Christmas time. It's more. Listen now, just pass the stand and go and put in that pan.
Wait, is it true?
Like that.
Mommy, is it true that the tree also makes juice? Eh?
Hmm?
Is it true that tree also makes juice?
There's air that comes out from the air
Okay.
called oxygen. So we
The plant with carbon.
breathe out, breathe in, and give that the plants. The plants give you back. See how the cycle of life is. Cycle.
And the future.
Yeah. You know that somebody is survived like when you're not even seeing it.
Hello, we on live. You know what I'm talking about? Happy Christmas. You know, January to December, it's not easy. It's not easy, man. But thank God for life, you know. So we are here today. Come on, rate the bed. of our Lord Jesus Christ, and wish everyone a happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. It's not easy, but just have to do it. I'm talking about. So these are the broilers that produce the eggs. Yeah. Also saying Happy Christmas to you. You're not gonna die this Christmas, yo. You're gonna stay this Christmas. So let's go. Say Happy Christmas to people. Say Happy Christmas to them. Yeah, this is my boy. Who's a god? Who's a chuku? Yeah. So let's go back to uh Christmas celebration. In terms of preparation. Yeah. So that's where it's happening right now. It's happening right now. So Mama is trying to
Hey,
cut the
go and
lard.
give the chicken.
So this is Helen's corner on live. So we're trying to that's for me. Me, I want roasted yam. It belongs. So that's
Give chicken.
this is me for
We
my
are going
roasted
to
yam.
This one now is
Yeah.
our fertilizer.
Yeah, so that's the fertilizer. Yeah. Yeah.
Nothing is wasted.
Yeah, Manchester United, we have a new board management. We're going to top the league very soon. Have hope, have faith. You're topping it right now. Yeah, so
Manchester.
yeah,
This
so
thing is roasted. You go and give
these
chicken
are
this fine. Just
Is it a bonnet?
no.
no. Say that this one should be. Let me see. Oh yeah, go and bring pot inside. Be fast. Bring the pot. Let me see.
This is it. Cut it to Helen's corner. Do it.
Hey yo.
Yeah,
Let me see. Let me see. Nobody is live here. Nobody is live. You didn't share the live. I've shared the live. You didn't even share the live. 17 minutes gone. Nobody is here. You share it. Let me end the stream. Want to do stream? Let's prepare.